And welcome back to Writing with Monda. I'm LaMonda, aka Monda, and I'm so glad that you were able to join me this week or these next couple of weeks. We are going to do a two-part series that I'm calling Shh, it's the Library of Congress control number. Yes, that's right. In the next two videos, we'll be talking specifically on the Library of Congress control number or Library of Congress control catalog number. Ooh, it's a lot of C's in that. So basically, what is a Library of Congress control number? It is an identifying number separate from the ISBN that the Library of Congress control uses to catalog your book. That's it. How is it used or what is it used for? Libraries can use it to pull your catalog or your record from the national database to make catalog cards for their library or individual libraries. Or also use it to pull your information for commercial use. Simple, right? It's really not hard to apply for. In the next video that I'll do next week, you'll see the steps. Like I'll do a step-by-step tutorial with a book that I may be releasing on how to apply for your Library of Congress control number. You do need your ISBN beforehand, and no, your book cannot already be in print in order for you to request a Library of Congress control number. It needs to be a forthcoming book, a book that has yet to be published and has a future date of release. So if your book is due, let's say tomorrow, like you're going to publish it tomorrow, you probably won't be able to get it because it takes about 2 to 3 days, 2 to 3 business days, I should say, or give it about a week for you to get your control number back from your application. So just give it some time, but I wouldn't do it like last minute. I would do it as soon as you get your ISBN number, go ahead and apply. How much is it? It's actually free. However, after your book is released, you have to submit your book to the Library of Congress within, I believe, 90 days of the release of your book. So you will have to pay the shipping cost. So that's the only cost that you will need to think about as far as your Library of Congress control number. But yeah, so that's it. Oh, another question you may ask, do you really need it? It really depends. Some books aren't able to be filed for a Library of Congress control number. If it's not a children's book, but under 65 pages and not like a genealogy book and I believe like an art exhibition book, you cannot submit for a Library of Congress control number. Like it has to be over 65 pages, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I believe that's correct. And yeah, so it's really a simple process. And like I said, the next video, a part of this series, I'll show you step by step on how to apply. Okay, so that is all. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and definitely share this video to anyone that you feel like this will be helpful for, or helpful to, excuse me. So yeah, thanks for coming. I'll see you next time. Bye.